Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so the PC can communicate with the device. Next, connect the Oneplus to the computer with a reliable USB cable. Allow the ADB debugging prompt when it appears. Once done, confirm the model and Android build so you run the correct commands. Make sure you've backed up photos and contacts first, because the only reliable method will remove biometric data and may trigger a factory reset. Now perform the core steps. Open a terminal and run a DB devices to confirm connection, then use a DB shell to get a shell. If available, mount /data as read-write, navigate to /data/system and remove files named gatekeeper. Password, key, lock settings, DB, and any fingerprint-related files. Alternatively, use a DB shell SUSE PM clear com. Android settings or the supported Oneplus Fast Boot commands to trigger a secure reset. Finish by rebooting the phone and checking settings security to confirm fingerprints are gone. If the lock persists, boot into recovery and perform a factory reset. This clears residual lock metadata. If you encounter factory reset protection or encrypted storage that rejects ADB changes, ensure OEM unlocking was enabled beforehand or contact authorized support. Forcing around FRP risks bricking. One key troubleshooting tip. If the device won't accept ADB commands, reinstall drivers and re-enable USB debugging, then repeat the removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.